Well, I'm sitting here by the pool, just chilling. Got another nice day. The sky is nice and blue with a hint of clouds. No sign of rain, but at least the sky looks real now. The clouds are moving. You can tell they're making their way across the sky. You see the trees. They're gently swinging in the wind. You know, it looks real. That last video, the sky didn't even look real. I'm sitting here next to the pool. Don't look at my ugly feet. No. Nice neighborhood. People enjoying themselves. And I'm sitting here eating a bowl of cantaloupe. Right here. I'm just chilling. Resting up for tomorrow. I go back to work again. I really worked hard Saturday. You know, I worked in that garbage truck all week. And that was hard work, but laying those blocks, that was even harder because I worked more harder because I was having a good time, having fun, doing what I like to do. Of course, in the back of my mind, I'm making twice as much money. So that kind of makes it a lot easier to work hard. So I enjoyed it. But I'll be going back to work tomorrow. And I should have me a decent paycheck coming this next week. So I'll be able to do some things. And so that's it. I'm just gonna sit back here and kick back. It's Sunday and I'm relaxing. And things really turned out good so far. Anyway, that's it for now.